Welcome to Lesson 7 of WP Rocket, Monitoring and Analyzing Website Performance. In this video, we will explore how to analyze your website's performance after optimizing it with WP Rocket. Let's dive into the tool reports and best practices for ensuring your site runs at lightning speed. First, we will start by integrating a performance tracking tool like Google PageSpeed Insight and GTmetrix. You can choose your own desired website for it to check the performance. Now, go to that website. The website will open like this. Enter the URL of your website here and click on Analyze. It will start analyzing your website here. Once the analysis is done, you can see that it will give you the full overall report for your website. It will provide you the performance of your website, the structure. When you scroll down, it will also show you the top issues that audit identify as top issues impacting your website performance. The priorities include medium, high, medium, low, and low. You can check the issues from here and diagnose it from your website. You can also get a waterfall report from here. Here, you can see the delays in the files which are in your website. Now, we will go to the front end of the website. Here, we will clear the cache from here at the top. First, we will clear and preload the cache. It will reload the website and clear the preload cache. The second option is to purge this URL. If you want to clear the cache from this URL only, you can check this option. Now, another option is clear priority elements for this URL. You can check this option to clear the priority elements of all of this URL here. After clearing the cache from your website, first, ensure that you have done the setting of your plugin properly. Go to your dashboard and File Optimization, analyze all your minify CSS, lazy load settings, and preload settings for your website here. After doing all of these settings of the website, which we have discussed in the previous lesson, go to the GTmetrix again and analyze the website there again. After analyzing the website again on GTmetrix, as you can see that the performance has greatly increased. There is a big change in the performance. The grade is increased, and the performance has also increased with the structure. By leveraging performance tracking tools, analyzing key metrics, and refining WP Rocket settings, we can maintain a fast and efficient website, stay ahead with actionable insight, and deliver the best performance for your user. That wraps monitoring and analyzing website performance in WP Rocket. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.